dear friends, in Plum Village, France, where we live and practice, every time we hear the sound of the bell, we stop our thinking, we stop our talking, and we go back to our in-breath and breathe mindfully. And at least 3 times, in, out. And that practice is called listening to the bell, the sound, the bell of mindfulness. When you hear the bell, you naturally stop your thinking. It has become a habit. You naturally stop your thinking and you focus your attention on your in-breath and you enjoy breathing in. And when you breathe in mindfully like that, you bring your mind home to your body and you become fully alive in the here and the now. It takes only 3 seconds in order to bring the mind home to the body and establish ourselves in the here and the now. And when you are well established in the here and the now, you can get in touch with life. First of all, your body, your feelings, your perceptions, your mental formations, your consciousness. And you get in touch with the wonders of life around you. The energy of mindfulness has the power to heal, to transform. When you love someone, you have the tendency to offer him or her something. You want to make him or her happy. And you are inhabited by the energy of love. And that is why you have the desire to make him or her happy. As I have said, love has the power to heal, to nourish, to bring happiness, and to transform suffering. And the practice of mindfulness can produce love. The true elements of true love can be produced by the practice of mindfulness. And when you have that love in you, you are alive, you are peaceful, you are happy, and you can make the other person happy. Usually, when we want to make the other person happy, we want to give him or her something. We might write a poem for him, for her, or we might cook something good and give to him or to her, or you might go to the market and buy something. But the most precious thing you can give him or her is not something you can buy from the market. It's not something that you can buy with money. It's your true presence. You have to be there for him and for her, if you truly love him or her. And in order to be there, you need the practice of mindfulness. And what you want to offer your beloved one is your true presence. How can you love if you are not there? To love means to be there for him or for her. And to be there is a practice. In the Buddhist tradition, when you begin to breathe in mindfully, you bring your mind home to your body. And when mind and body are together, you are truly there. In our daily life, very often our body is there, but our mind is not there. We are not truly there. It's impossible to love if you are not there. So practice mindful breathing. Bring your mind home to your body. It can help you to be there.